Dear students, in this video we are going to learn about the prions. So what are the prions? The prions are small infectious protein particles that are responsible for the fatal neurodegenerative diseases in the humans and animals. They are totally different from the viruses and viroids, and they do not contain nucleic acids. That means these are just the protein particles. All of you know that all organisms, including prokaryotes, eukaryotes, and viruses, possess nucleic acids. However, the nucleic acids are totally absent in some infectious agents and they are called as prions. In 1982, American scientist Stanley Bree Prusiner isolated and purified such infectious agents. He coined the term prion by combining the first letters of two words, that is proteinaceous and infectious, and by using a suffix "on" to make the analogy similar to virion. In 1997, Prusiner was awarded with the Nobel Prize in Physiology and Medicine for this discovery. The prion diseases are often called as transmissible spongiform encephalopathies, and this is because of the appearance of the holes in the brain tissues. The destruction of the brain tissues gives spongy appearance. So what are the characters of these prion particles? Chemically, prions are glycoproteins. They do not contain DNA or RNA or capsid. They are responsible to cause the neurodegenerative disease in which large vacuoles are produced in the brain tissues. So you can see here the image of cow brain tissues with vacuoles. This is healthy cow brain tissue. This is vacuole in the brain. The prions have not been visualized. They are resistant to the enzyme nucleases and also to UV radiations. They also are sensitive to the chemicals that denature the proteins. They are also sensitive to the heat. The prion particles cause slow infections and the incubation period of the disease ranges from 1 year to several years. The prion diseases are transmitted directly from one person to another, indirectly by fomites, and by the ingestion of contaminated meat. So, what are the symptoms of disease caused by prions? The common symptoms of transmissible spongiform encephalopathies are loss of muscle coordination that leads to the difficulty in walking, dementia, which is characterized by the loss of memory, diminished intellect, and poor judgment, progressive insomnia, that means inability to sleep, and progressive paralysis, and finally the death. One of the most common disease that is known to be caused by prions is scrapie of sheep and goat. It causes the animal to scrape or scratch itself against the obstacles such as rocks or trees, and this is due to the itching sensation. The prion particles consist of only hydrophobic protein of 33 to 35 kilodaltons. That means it contains about 253 amino acids, and it is often called as PRP protein, that is protease resistant protein. That means prion proteins are resistant to protease enzyme. So you can see here the images of animals that are suffered from the prion disease. Actually, the PRP gene, that is gene for PRP proteins, is present in many normal vertebrates. It is supposed that a changed or altered PRP is responsible for the disease. As far as the spread of prions is concerned, some workers are of the opinion that the disease is transmitted by the PRP alone. The infectious particle is PRP, which has been chemically modified. And when such a chemically modified or abnormal PRP enters the normal brain cells, probably it binds with the normal PRP and induces the enzymes that modify its structure into an abnormal conformation. This newly formed abnormal PRP in turn attacks the other normal PRP molecules. However, the other researchers feels that this hypothesis is not an adequate. So this is about the prions. Thank you for your kind listening. Thank you.